in Tunnel 5, which leads to sections F, G, H, J and K, which is literally written there. So these should be the tunnels. These leading to the steps.
Tell Dad to stand still. Hello?
Go on, I can tell if you see something. Go on. Go on. Did you see something down there? I thought you see something down there. Right, so this part of the tunnel is the part of the tunnel that me, Mum, Dad, Georgia, my brother's girlfriend, and 2 other paranormal investigators, we come in this tunnel, and the reason I remember that is because of the way that is. And this is where me and Georgia, well, we was all sat on our chairs in a round circle, and you'll remember this because you was with us, and we had all torches off, so you can imagine pitch black, absolutely pitch black, and I was sat here, Dad was sat over there, Georgia was sat this side of me. Pitch black, and all of a sudden we see a massive white light flash behind Dad. No explanation, all torches are off. Obviously, me being me, turned my torch on, shot it straight behind Dad because I was like, what the hell? It could have been someone with a torch on and off, but there was no one. Georgia see it, which correlated what I was seeing. So
I actually do remember.
But this is the tunnel that it happened. I kind of remember where it was, but I don't at the same time. So Dad's looking rather scary at the moment. I can't really show you because you don't want his face on camera, but...
Can we turn it round, show it?
I don't know if you're going to be able to see him properly. Yeah, look, you can't really see his face, but still.
So we're trying to do this virtual group, I'm trying to be their teacher.
Can't go down there. That'll make too much noise because we're right at the upper end of the tunnels now. On the back of the houses.
Back of the houses.
How can I do
So, down that way.
Walk this way.
It's back of the houses.
Are we hearing?
And the way it's making so much noise under here, it's kind of like... You don't want to let them know that you're hearing directly.
We've got the spirit box. Spirit going. Nothing at the moment.
Another little one there, look.
If you have a look, this is the other end of the block tunnel.
The other end of the block tunnel.
Now, when we got in here last time,
Yeah. I reckon it was down there through that door.
The entrance was there, that's the one where you got in.
Yeah.
We got effect.
Effect.
Yeah.
Look at the old wooden beam. That is wooden, believe it or not. I know I'm in infrared. Yeah, this definitely is the tunnel that we entered, that we were sat in last time. I just definitely wasn't just here. What's this saying? Section E, Tunnel G. So yeah, we might not do all the tunnels, Section E, because of the fact of
Alright, listen.
where it is so close to the houses, and these tunnels do echo. So you can imagine in the war it wasn't very quiet, I suppose.
Do you know what he's just said? It's so quiet here.
It is quiet here. I suppose it would be quiet here.
Let me turn these down enough. So then I don't blind myself what I'm talking about, because you see.
Yes.
Little.
So this is narrow walls.
Yeah.
What you've got to think of as well.
Section K down there. Loads of people in the group.
Yeah.
I think it's ghost tube.
It could be that
Tunnel fire.
army people, or whoever is here,
Okay.
it passed away, and we're hearing noises.
So they've blocked off.
Noises, but it's the ghosts.
K. They've blocked off K, which would. So, with that being blocked off, that would say to me that that's where the houses possibly are. So,
In the walls that contain memories exactly like that.
Yeah.
If you could run that machine over the walls, you'd probably even get pictures.
Yeah. Yeah. Because we're hearing things, and we can't explain
Like freaking heard
what it
scream
is.
earlier.
So,
I'm almost certain.
so it could be possible that the tunnel that we did the ghost hunt at last time. So down there, the tunnel is blocked off down there into a wall.
I like the lights.
Is that what it's just said? I like the lights.
I like the lights.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, you've got all that.
Well, it might be that we're communicating. Well, Kirsty's communicating with somebody. Somebody's
Do you like the lights?
talking. I suppose they're probably going to be following us.
Would you like the spirit box?
It's just-
What?
You are annoying.
Who's annoying?
Probably Maria.
I've hardly said anything. I have spoken quite a bit.
Who's annoying?
Oh, look at the old handle.
Are you annoyed because we're down
Look at that old handle.
There's four.
Shut up. There's four
There's
of us.
four of us.
So the spirit talk, or the ghost tube on Mum's phone has just come up saying there's four, and there is four of us. That's a bit weird. The fact that come out saying four, and there is four of us.
It's a lot of outside noise.
Is there? So Dad's saying there's a lot of outside noise.
Do you like us being here?
Which would explain why we're probably hearing quite a bit, because these tunnels...
It just went, get out.
Run. And it just said run on mine.
It said, get out.
And then run. What?
Well, it turned out like we're having a little ghost hunt with you guys now.
Sister. Yes, we have sisters.
Was that the room that we sat in?
Turn it on. Turn it down. Jesus.
I think this is the room we sat in.
Yeah, come on. First thing you said. And then mine said run.
Right, shall we get through the tunnel then?
Yeah.
This is there.
Yeah, because we could just...
Yeah. So believe it or not, we have actually walked the whole way through.
No, it's just weird.
It just went, run.
And I had run on mine. Right in the tunnels. So you shouldn't really see anything outside. Quiet. We're trying to be quiet.
Get through.
Yeah.
Yeah, get through.
So we're going to get back over that again. So, I'll be back in a bit.
This
What are
is the
they?
toilets. Because that's the urinal. That's where all the piss would have went.
Oh.
If you have a look, down, look. Look,
I'm looking.
you're not, the wrong way. Look,
Oh.
down, there.
Oh, right, okay.
Right,
So
look.
this is
Oh,
like-
and the pipes.
So this might have been the old piss hole.
This
Oh,
side,
so,
and that side.
On that side.
so,
What? Someone's just, right, this, I left it like this. When I picked it up, it was like this.
Mum might have turned it.
No, I put it down.
Oh.
No, I turned it when you was there.
My phone's,
Yeah, but you didn't do it like that, did you?
my phone's locked.
So yeah, I've got it.
Yeah, to look at you.
I've got you off of night vision, just so you get a sense of what it is actually really like down here. I'll show you how
Right.
pitch black it is.
For some reason.
Hold
So
on.
the last one was sister.
Turn your light off a sec, just show how dark it is down here. Because I've turned my infrared off. Just want to show how dark it is. That is how dark it is.
I'm coming in between.
Wow.
It's
That
dark.
is dark.
How dark it is.
Yeah, look, I just put one light on.
That's how dark it is.
SOS. They might understand that.
Let's do that again. Right. Down on your camera, there was someone standing down there.
Are you kidding me? Well, I'll have to... I thought someone was walking towards us then.
What's that there?
Don't
On the
know.
right hand side.
Part of the tunnel.
Oh, yeah.
Part of the wall. So yes, that's how dark it is. We'll just try and say because they would have understood SOS back then. I wonder whether or not that'll wake anyone up.
Now look, you see how far the tunnel is though, look.
Yeah.
The tunnel goes really far, guys.
What's that? Excuse me.
That way.
You didn't hear that boom?
Yeah, I heard that.
That was down here.
That was down. Look at that. The old electric box. So we have been down these tunnels, but I'm just showing you guys. I'm just showing you guys in normal light rather than infrared. I'll quickly sweep you around as well to the machinery room, which is there, as you can see. A couple of machines, see if I can get you a quick look in here.
Back in.
So you can see a bit of machinery there.
Is that run it down?
Yeah, look at that.
It is recorded, I'm just making sure it's recorded.
Smell the diesel, big time.
Really strong.
Really strong smell of diesel. Where's these all the
They're
toilets?
toilets.
The toilets!
Oh, hang on, look at this, guys.
They are toilets and they're diesel burn toilets.
Oh, wow.
That's why.
Look, that's what they all are. Look, see, got the buckets in them. They put that in there, that goes on top,
And then they burn it.
and then they
Diesel.
take it out and they burn it. That's why you've got
We could do with that down the yard.
diesel buckets.
Oh, my fucker taking that down the yard and then...
Yeah, I'll tell you what, see? And they're
Got the
burning
holes
it
at the bottom.
they're burning it inside, look. They're
There's the holes.
incinerator toilets, look.
Look, there's the holes.
Oh, wow.
Oh, that's an yeah. Do
And
them
that's
down the
the
yard.
Things.
That thing there must have
So what
chased
would,
all out.
do you know what they would have been like? Why the numbers there would have been like that?
No idea, there's no toilet seat, look.
So there is another tunnel that's still got, you know what the mine rooms use, the cart? There is a tunnel round here that's got one of them in.
So that's what you're kicking, look.
Kick him.
You're picking the bulk things.
Fuck's sake, Foxy light.
You know who that sounded like? Nichols. Didn't it?
Becky watches my fucking YouTube, you know. we love you, John.
Long time.
Happy long time. I'll get it echo.
Do you want to have a last word before we leave?
Long time.
I tell you what, if somebody growls back,
If someone
mate,
growls
fucking
back, I'm running.
That's the entrance. That's the exit.
Is it?
Yeah, so we've got to run through the ground.
That sounded like your voice echoed then.
Woo!
No. No.
Echo, echo, echo.
You absolute fucking dick. No, but like, it repeated straight after. If that makes sense. You've had that. It's got a little bit dark now.
We haven't
But,
recorded that. I'm not sure if
we
we're
are-
going to.
No, only because you keep putting your hands in your mappy bags.
Yeah,
I
that's
know,
true.
I open the bags and I think I've given you
In case you wonder what we're referring to, we also do dumpster diving.
because
And
we've got some good stuff for dumpster diving, which we're actually going to do with there.
As we're walking, we're on concrete, yet there's a metal echo.
If you guys want to...
Anyway,
What the fuck? Let's turn this off.
what was talking over there?
hope you enjoyed the video.
If you guys want
But anyway,
to
guys,
record,
Be
like I say, it's bouncing off the wall because I'm close to the wall.
and see you on the next
So yeah, we are going dumpster diving now, so it's like a little bit different. Kirsten, you just stacked it. Cursed. But yeah, so we will be going out again and doing it at another place. We're doing the old, I forgot what it's called now, but it's an old hall. But it's absolutely, it's massive. You know what I mean? Massive. So we're going to do that. That one's in Canterbury. But we're going to go and do the other part of life that we do, which is, as I say, our dumpster diving. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, guys, because you have gotten me up to over 359, I think it is now, or 356, one of the two, I can't remember off the top of my head. So thank you so much to the subscribers that subscribe to me. Yeah, as I say, I'll see you on the next adventure.